Google Earth shows a globe. That must be proof. Let's take a closer look at how Google Earth is made. When you launch Google Earth, you start in outer space and you miraculously zoom in. You are not just zooming in on just one picture. You are actually going through a succession of closer and closer shots, making the transition from a NASA shuttle shot to a satellite shot to a photograph from a plane. Google doesn't shoot its own images. There are a handful of companies that do that. Google Earth is the software that knits it all together. The CIA-funded company Keyhole Inc. made this software that was originally called Earth Viewer. In 2004, Google bought the software and renamed it to Google Earth.
Jerry Broughton, we're surrounded here by maps, old maps, and you're clearly fascinated by them.
They are monopolizing maps online. If you go online and you're using maps, you are probably using a Google map. And there's also some sort of sinister and worrying dimensions to Google, because they buy Earth Viewer, which is the application, and that is funded by the CIA.
This is the company that they buy that provides them with the ability to produce this?
That's right.
I mean, that's interesting that the CIA government had a hand in funding it.
Keyhole Inc. was founded in 2001 by John Hanke. Prior to that, he worked in foreign affairs for the U.S. government in Washington, D.C., and Myanmar. John also co-founded two gaming companies, Archetype Interactive and Big Network. He worked on one of the early MMOs called Meridian 59. In 2002, NVIDIA partnered with Keyhole Inc. and released Earth Viewer 3D. Here is what they said about it. Earth Viewer 3D transforms the way people receive and use geospatial information by delivering the three-dimensional model of planet Earth. While Google Earth is very detailed for most parts of the world, the South Pole has a lot less detail. A lot of areas are censored or blurred out. The border of the Antarctic is pitch black and looks very weird in many places. But hey, don't worry. Here is what you can see.
Explore Mars in 3D with Google Earth 5.0. To begin your journey, just go to the top toolbar and select Mars. This will fly you away from Earth to the red planet. Before exploring today's imagery, let's open the Historical Maps layer and travel back more than 100 years to see some earlier visions of Mars. Giovanni Schiaparelli drew this map in 1890. These antique maps show how our knowledge of Mars has changed and evolved over time. Let's see what the planet looks like today by opening the Mars Gallery folder and following the path of NASA's exploration rover Opportunity, which landed in this crater in 2004 and is still making tracks today. You can follow its path on the red line and zoom in to see super high-resolution imagery. Use the search tool to find places like the mysterious face on Mars. If you want to learn more, click the green Traveler's Guide to Mars icons and read an excerpt from this guidebook to Mars. You can also chat with Meliza, a friendly Martian robot. Let's travel over to Valles Marineris, the largest known canyon in the solar system, stretching approximately 4,000 kilometers. For the newest imagery available from Mars, go to the Live from Mars layer. High-resolution NASA satellite imagery is available within hours of it being downloaded from currently orbiting spacecraft. Play the tour to orbit around the planet and see photos being taken by the Mars Odyssey team. In case you're feeling lost, join our Mars experts on a guided tour around the red planet with audio narration. Pause the tour at any time to explore on your own. And if you know your way around, use the touring feature to record your own mission to Mars.